Okay, let's do this. So find the unknown measurement of the triangle. So you're just going to plug in all the values, substitutes. So area is 30 feet. Okay, well, first of all, the formula is A equals base times height divided by 2. Okay, so area is 30, base is 10. We don't know h, right? We don't know height. So it's just going to be 10h, which is the same thing as 10 times h. And then it's divided by 2. Okay, so we're going to undo the divided by 2 by multiplying it by 2 on both sides. Okay, it's just like equations. So then this will cancel out. Oh no, sorry. Yeah. Okay, so then that will become 30 times 2 is 60 equals 10h. Okay, because this is gone now. All right, and then you're going to divide both sides by 10. So 10 is gone. 60 divided by 10 is 6. And so her height is 6 feet. That's our answer. And then 13, same thing, we're just going to fill it in. So area equals base times height divided by 2 is our formula for area of a triangle. Area is 24. Base is 6. Wait, does this already give you the answer? Yes, it does. Okay, sorry. Base, we don't know the height. And we divide by 2. Okay, so we're going to multiply both sides by 2. Okay, 24 times 2 is 48. 48 equals 6h. Divide both sides by 6. 48 divided by 6 is 8. So the height is 8 yards. Hope that makes sense. Solve. Round to the nearest whole number if needed. The Welcome Home Soldiers banner over the church entrance is a rectangle, okay, with length that is 2 times the width measurement. The width of the banner is 6 feet. So this is 6 feet. What is the area? So we're trying to find the area. What is the length? 2 times the width. So 6 times 2 is 12, right? Because it's 2 times the width. So 6 times 2 is 12. To find the area of a rectangle, we just do length times width. So that's 12 times 6. So area is 72 feet squared. Okay. Number 19, Parker's making felt pennants for the school soccer team. So pennants are triangles, okay? Each pennant will be 18 inches long and have a height of 8 inches. Okay, so 18 inches long and height of 8 inches, how tall it is. How many square inches of a felt does he need for each triangular pennant? So every time it says how many square inches, you're going to look for the area, okay? So you're going to do $18, so area equals base times height divided by 2. 18 times 8 divided by 2. 18 times 8 is 144 divided by 2, 72 inches squared. Okay. Mr. Jeffrey is placing a small fence around his garden to keep the rabbits out. His square garden is 15 feet on each side. Just like that. How much fencing does he need to go around the garden? So you're looking for how much he needs to go around. So you're going to look for the perimeter. So we're going to do 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, or just do 15 times 4, which is 60 feet. Okay, and that's all. Go ahead and do the even numbers, but you can skip 14 through 16. Okay, so do everything except for 14 to 16. And yeah, that's it.